Progress. Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to learn how to make a spirograph. So you know how to make a spirograph. This is so simple for you. Okay, so all we have to do is import bleh. All we have to do is import turtle as t. Import turtle as t. Then what we do is first t dot speed because we want to make the spirograph fast. After that, what we do for I in range, right? For for I in range, right? 25 or 50. 50 is good enough. For 50, T dot LT 20. Then T dot circle, okay? T dot circle, no, T dot circle 50. So if we now run it, see? So let's try changing the angle. Example, instead of 20, let's try putting 40. 40 would be a lot. Okay, 30, let's say. Uh, let's say if I say 80 circles, 80 is not gonna work either. So let's do the basic one, which is better, right? Was it 25? The angle was. Yeah, this looks better. Okay? So let's try making it more fancy. Okay, now see? If we make the angle what? Yeah, that's not gonna work. 8? Yeah, 8's probably the best. 5 could be. Yeah, 5 looks beautiful. For that, we'll take 100 circles. And beautiful, look here. Look at the spirograph. I know it doesn't look that good. So let's change the angle probably to 10. Yeah, this looks better. Okay? So for that much, we'll put 50. Yeah, okay. So thank you everyone for listening about how to create a spirograph. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.